guys, it's Melissa here from Melissa Shares, and today I wanted to talk about cleaning out around the house and things that I do that are good for my marriage, good for my house, and good for the environment. My husband is very much in cleaning up mode, and so I've been trying to be a good wife and let go of old things. Now, the things I'm letting go of today are small appliances. So I wanted to talk about disposing of small appliances and what we do in our household that I feel are good tips that I wanted to share with you today. I'm getting rid of an old Electrolux vacuum cleaner that has a burnt out motor. It was actually cheaper for me to get another secondhand Electrolux than to have the motor replaced and worked on in this one. So I'm getting rid of that today. I'm also getting rid of one attachment that goes with it, and I'm also getting rid of a lampshade and possibly a light fixture that has a broken globe. I'm going to see about that at the lamp store. So I wanted to talk about the ways that I dispose of these things that I feel are more beneficial than just throwing them in your trash can. First, you can try to sell the items for parts, and you can sell things like these on Craigslist. I've also sold pieces and parts of old vacuum cleaners on eBay, like the hoses, or you can take the retractable cord out, and those things can be sold for parts. If you don't have the time or energy for that, my second best choice, which is what we're doing today, is to take those items to a repair place so that they can reuse those items for parts. Old light fixtures that we've taken out of our houses and replaced with new ones, old appliances that have broken down and could possibly be repaired, pieces and parts of lamps that I am not going to use in our house after all, or maybe you redecorate. Those things, instead of taking them even to the thrift store, if they are broken or need replacing or are a specialized item, I take them to a specialized store. So today we're going to stop at the Vac and Sew, drop off the Electrolux. I've already called, they want it. I'm going to go to Practical Props, which is my lamp shop that I love in LA. I've bought all of my light fixtures from there. I have lamps rewired there, and they have every piece and part for any lamp repair. So I am going to take one lampshade there just to donate, because I'm happy for them to make money off of it. And I am going to take this light fixture that's brand new but arrived with a broken glass shade, and I'm going to see if I can buy a replacement glass shade, and we'll use that for our rental property when the time comes. If these items did not have a home to go to at a specialized shop, we would be dropping off these items at e-waste, where the things can be taken apart and be recycled or disposed of responsibly. I am rewarding my children for this activity by taking them for ice cream afterwards. It's a good outing to get the kids out of the house. My husband gets some free time, we get the house cleaned out, and we're gonna go celebrate with ice cream. I hope you guys are having a great day, and thanks as always for watching. Let me know down below if you have any clever ways of getting rid of things that you're no longer using, either for profit or to dispose of them in a responsible way so they don't go into the landfill. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.